Going back to the topic of staggered payments, please do speak with your immigration attorney before you take the decision of staggering your investment schedule. Regional centers are very accommodative these days because you would like to meet the timeline and lock the priority date. And this is also critical because for families who are aging out, having that priority date in place is very, very important. Having said that, we've had sleepless nights over the last 3 to 4 months because we've seen a heightened scrutiny of the government on staggered payment cases. And currently we see that the government has a very high standard of proof required on these cases. You need to be able to prove to the government on the date when you're filing the initial petition as to what would be your anticipated source of funds. Not in entirety, but you need to have a roadmap. You also need to have some sort of corroborative evidence submitted so that your case is eligible to be approved when filed. And this is being interpreted in law. This is not me saying it, and Rohit and Ignacio can add on to this. So confer with your immigration attorneys. Make sure that if you have to take a decision out of financial constraints to stagger payment, you have a roadmap for the upcoming source of funds. And just do a good job at your application because this is key to success. Coming back to the data, if there have been denials, again, I would say that there could have been source of funds issues. We also have seen the government very strict on currency exchange matters. So for countries where you exchange your local currency into US dollars, keep a complete trail of all the documents. If you've not kept that, maybe that could have been the cause of denial.